Hello, my name's Ruth Grigg from Private Tuition and Dyslexia Services, and today we're going to talk about ellipses. So I'm just going to pause and I will share my page with you. So ellipses, what are they all about? Now there's two ways we can use ellipses. One of them is to show a pause in someone's speech or in their thoughts. So, for instance, if we have a look at this first sentence, it says, I think, ... showing a pause. Someone's thinking, I think I've won the lottery. Yay! And also, we were doing speech marks, weren't we? Because it's a speech, we have some speech marks here. This shows the pause, ... and there's only three. I've won the lottery. Gosh, we have an exclamation mark here because there's great emphasis, there's so much excitement about that. And then we have closed speech marks. But this is the part that we're looking at today. It's the pause, the three dots. Okay, let's look at the next sentence down. Again, it's speech marks because someone's actually saying this, and it says, and then ... pause, long pause. He asked me to marry him. Wow. So we have emphasis, closed speech marks, but again, the bit we're looking at is this bit here where there's a pause in what they are going to say, what they're going to share with you. So it's usually something quite exciting. Could be bad news as well. Could be either one. But we put those dots in to show the thinking, to show the break in between the sentence. Okay. Now there's another way, which I think a lot of you will know, is to build tension or to show that a sentence is not yet finished. For instance, Paul looked up and couldn't believe what he saw, ... And that holds you in some tension because you're there thinking now, oh, what did he see? So then they start the next sentence or the next part of the sentence and they explain what they saw. So let's have a go at doing this ourselves. So we're going to finish this sentence or all three of these sentences, and we're going to put our pause in with our three dots. So let me think. Can you think of a sentence? I'm going to think of one. The first one is, I think, and he looks like he's angry, upset. So I think I'm going to say here, I think, oops, that's in blue. I wonder if I could just change the color to black. Okay, I think I have messed up. He does look like he's messed up, doesn't he? Okay, I think I've messed up. Oh dear. But what should I be putting here before? ... There shouldn't be a space here, actually. If I can move this over, move the whole thing, and I can't move it. But there we go. There shouldn't be a space here, but it says, I think ... I have messed up, exclamation mark. He looks upset. Okay, now this lady says, I turned around and saw. Now she's looking rather happy. So she saw something good, not something bad or scary. So what should we put here? Let's see. I saw. I'm going to put this. She looks like she's in love. I saw. Let me see if I can move this over. No. ... I saw him. I saw him. I saw him. the one I had been looking for. Whoa. I'm going to try and move this over. Oh, I can't move it over. So there'd be no gap there again. I turned around and saw ... him. You hear the pause. Him. The one I had been looking for. So she saw this. She saw this somebody. She saw this man that she likes. The one that she's been looking for. Very exciting. There he was. Wow. Okay. Let's look down at this one. We were cycling in the park when we found, what did we find? ... I'm going to have to put another text there. And when we found, what did we find? This is something exciting. As they're smiling, they look like it's a bit exciting. What did they find? We found, can you think of something? I'm going to say we found some old coins. Wow. Now these old coins could be very precious, worth a lot of money. So again, there should be no gap there. We were cycling in the park when we found ... some old coins. So no doubt they'll take them somewhere to get them evaluated, see how much they're worth, and then they can perhaps cash those old coins in and buy something that they like. So that's very exciting for them.